I don't know about you, but for me and my brain, if Crown Zenith was a booster box set, not a holiday set, a special set, I think Crown Zenith booster box would give Evolving Skies a run for its money. Right, before we get into the video and before I explain what's going on in the video, you probably know by the title already and the thumbnail, I've just got something to share with you guys because I did say I want 12 boxes of something. I'm not there yet, but let's go just down here and we'll have a look, eh? Look what we've managed to pick up. Booster boxes. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. To be honest, I don't think they'll go much lower, but nevertheless, it might just go a bit low with this reprint. See how big it is. We don't kind of know just yet, but there is talk that obviously they will be going down to sub $70 for a short period of time and probably end up back up. But I'm going to put these down here and we're going to crack on with the video. I'm not going to cut any of that stuff out. You can see the back of my head if you want. So in today's video, we've taken a look at talking about some of the nicest products you can pick up for a really good price. You know me, I like to give you a bit of information and try to save as much money as I can for you guys. If you want to pick these up, it's down to you. Like I say, completely down to you. I'm just trying to give you a bit of like a whole thing of like, you know, is it actually worth buying? The packs are inside and it's actually cheaper. This is not like an investment video. This is just me picking some of the nicest products I've seen and the best products for the price. So let's get in and have a look at these products. The Zoroark collection box is up. Why am I picking this box? It's because it's got 2 Lost Origin and a Fusion Strike. Unfortunately, it has not battle styles. It is battle styles, isn't it? It's not battle styles. It's Rebel Clash at the back. I believe, yeah, it is 2 Rebel Clashes at the back, which is quite unfortunate because it would have been nice if there was an extra Fusion Strike pack in there, but there isn't. But why have I chose this? Well, again, you can see it's on sale for $23.95 and it should have been £35. So you get 31% off this product. Again, it's probably retail price that they've put it down to, which is absolutely brilliant if you want one of these. So for me, I love making these videos. Like, they don't go really that far. They don't get many views, but hopefully I can help somebody just to, like, you know, not to where put the money, but if they want to spend it on something that is cheaper, then, you know, if they're looking for this box and they've looked eBay, it's probably the same price as 35 quid. A few other websites, it could be 35 quid. And you just ponder up on this channel and you're like, oh, £23.95. Sound, I'm going to save 31%, which is absolutely incredible for you anyway. So yeah, so we've got Fusion Strike and 2 Lost Origin. We know Lost Origin has hitting new highs with £200 per booster box. The Fusion Strike again is making new highs. So that's roughly about what? £5.50, £6 a pack. If you go on, obviously, what the booster boxes are selling, and Fusion Strike as well, which I think is a bit more expensive than Lost Origin. So you're talking about £6, £7. So you got 12 and then 7, which is obviously £19. And then obviously you get 2 Rebel Clash packs as well, and obviously 2 cards and that jumbo as well, and a pin. So all in all, it's kind of worth the money that it is now. I don't know about you, but for me and my brain, if Crown Zenith was a booster box set, not a holiday set, a special set, I think Crown Zenith booster box would give Evolving Skies a run for its money, because that Galarian Gallery, I know Evolving Skies has obviously got evolutions in, the Dragonite, the Rayquazas, I get that. But the Galarian Gallery from Crown Zenith, they've literally knocked the nail on its head. Honest to God, it's such a lovely Galarian Gallery. And the price of a Morpeko box at $29.95, saving a tenner. Like, again, I love making these videos because giving you the heads up how cheap some of these products are. You know, I do like some of these products, but again, I don't really collect collection boxes. But again, with Crown Zenith, there's the only kind of other way to get the packs and also the ETB, but I prefer to go the ETB route. But nevertheless, like I say, you save it a tenner, $29.95. There's 5 packs in here. Then obviously you get the 4 cutouts and the jumbo with Moni and the Morpeko. What a beautiful collection box. Anyway, let's crack on with the other one. We have stopped at Magic Madhouse again. So we've got the Hero tins here, the Epsilon one, they do an Umbreon one and a Sylvie one as well. These usually have like Chilling Reign, Brilliant Stars, Fusion Strike. So they are kind of really good tins, considering I have bought a few of these in the past. I've opened them up, I didn't press play. I wanted to do a video of an opening, didn't press play, opened all 3 boxes, didn't click in. Yeah, no video. But I did get these, and again, for the value of them, what's inside, we know Brilliant Stars is a good set. We know Chilling Reign is a good set. Fusion Strike, again, is a brilliant set. For $15.95, I don't think you could probably get these cheaper anywhere else. Like, I think I got mine for about the same price last year. Maybe there's just so many tins they can't actually get rid of. So, you know, there should be retail price at £22 and now at $15.95. So if you want to get yourself some Evolution tins with some good packs in, now is the time. It seems like they got quite a lot in stock as well. It's a 10 plus in stock. But $15.95 is actually not bad for a tin. That is pretty cheap. Again, this is the Sylveon one. The promos are absolutely beautiful for the same price. I can't find the Umbreon for obviously this price. That's why it's not in here. But obviously just the Sylveon and the Epsilon one as at this price. But again, Umbreon is a bit more sought after. A massive Evolution fan favourite. I have heard though, like this new Dragon set that's coming in August, there's speculation that we might have a new Evolution. We don't know. We'll have to just wait and see. A new Evolution would be absolutely amazing. Then maybe we get an Evolution set like Evolving Skies, probably not in probably Scarlet and Violet, but the next era we have, which would be something to look forward to. But again, $15.95, guys. Why not? So something to pre-order. We are on Scarlet and Violet. We've had all the Sword and Shield, so if you don't want to watch anymore because it is Scarlet and Violet, that is perfectly fine. But I hope you've enjoyed the video up to now. But we're going to talk about the Eraser Blister. I picked this is because Gengar is in this one. I do have a couple of Evolving Skies ones with the Astral Radiance, which is the Pikachu. I wish I got some of the Eevee, but I've not managed to pick any of them, just only the Pikachu. But Temple Forces, again, a lot of people are saying he's a good average set, so which is good. And obviously the pull rates are a lot harder. And some of the cards as well are still quite high in price. Twilight Masquerade, again, when this video is out, Twilight Masquerade still won't be out. We've got another week, I think, or 2 weeks before Twilight Masquerade is out. But again, there's some really smashing artworks in Twilight Masquerade as well. So if you want to get one of these, your kids for $7.95, you know what I mean, to take to school with a Gengar Eraser. No one else will have a Gengar Eraser probably at that school, but that's fantastic. And I just think it's quite cute, quite snazzy. And like I say, you know what I mean, it looks quite cute. But like I say, with the packs as well, they're not bad, you know, booster boxes, not bad sets. What I'm trying to say, Temporal Forces and Twilight Masquerade. I have covered kind of both sets in previous videos, and I think they're quite solid sets, Twilight and Temporal Forces. This one is actually bang for your money. It's £36.86. The Paldean Fates Masquerade EX collection box, 8 packs. So if you literally just wanted the packs alone in here, and they're going for about £4.75 to £6 per pack. So you're going to be like literally £38 plus. So you've got your money there anyway in packs. And then obviously you get 2 baby shinies, a full art Masquerade shiny, and a big jumbo if you want one of them. So all in all, you kind of get more for your money at £36.86. And obviously Paldean Fates is your game. Go collect a few if you want, or open these for the price, because again, if you just buy the singles, that's what you'll be paying anyway, about £38 plus. And then obviously you get the additional baby shinies and the full art Masquerada again, which you could obviously collect or sell for a bit more. So at the end of the day, you're getting this box at a really good price. ETBs are always kind of like a perfect gift to get somebody, in my opinion. You know, the small, compact, 9 packs inside, promos, you know, your coins, markers, dice, your promo as well. Especially this promo is a lovely promo with Pikachu jumping up and obviously the free starters around him. But again, for $32.95, it's a good price to pick one of these up. Again, it was $36, then retail price is £50. Birthdays, holiday present, whatever it is, it's still a good one to pick one up if you want one for a little gift. That's why I picked it, to be honest, because it's colourful, it's nice, it's really nice ETB box, to be honest. The artwork's really nice on here, but that's why it's here, because the price, you know, would it get much lower than that? Probably like a Black Friday or a TikTok shop with a coupon probably, but like I say, the price that it is now, it's still a good buy. I think there was some really good value for money there in some of them collection boxes. I enjoy these videos, I really do, because I just want to give as much information to you guys out there. You know, if you are pondering, looking, whatever it is, you know, where to buy some of these products from for cheaper. You've seen them in a store, you know what I mean, like a Smith's or somewhere, or Tesco, Morrison's, wherever it is, and they're quite expensive. You probably won't find Sword and Shield in them shops. It will be all modern, like this set now, this era. But what I'm saying is, you know, you're paying full retail, and I just want, hopefully, try save you as much money as possible, because I do a lot of research myself, try to save myself, and I just want to give that back out as well. You know what I mean? Free content, free advice. Take it as you want with the advice. But if you can get anything cheaper, you know what I mean? It's always a win-win for everybody. Again, if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe as well. I don't really say this, but because I think it's kind of like one of these things, I just like to go for the video. But if you want to subscribe, I would appreciate it. And obviously give the channel a like, share it, send it with your friends, you know what I mean? If they're after some of these boxes, ETBs, collection boxes, whatever it is, stop babbling on, and I'll see you on the next one.